Yeah, hi, myself Shantanu Nair. So I'm an entrepreneur. I own multi-brand car service center in Delhi. I joined Rain Lab for doing master technician and ECM repairing and coding courses. So I completed both the courses. So telling about the courses, master technician courses is a very good course for those individuals who are an automotive enthusiast but doesn't have an automotive educational background or a professional background. So they can actually join this automotive technician course for their betterment of the future automotive enthusiasts this in order to improve the skills and all. Coming to the ECM repairing and coding courses, it was also a very nice course. Uh, Even though we were having a short duration of time, but the faculties tried their best to complete the course within the span of time, and they give us the different ECMs, different tools, just to get the introduction about this, how to repair it, how to tune it, all these things.